How to make this not so insane transition. Today's video is sponsored by the Cypress Hill. Grab your second clip and bring it on top of the first one. Make sure a part of your second clip is overlapping the first one. Cut the clip on that part, right-click on the cut, and select to open it in the Fusion page. Add a background node in empty space, and bring down the alpha slider. Bring a merge node after. Disconnect your clip from the out point and connect it as a foreground to the merge, and then the merge to the out point again. Add a wand mask in empty space, and connect your clip to the mask. Right-click to the selection point, and select to modify it with shake. Go to the Modifiers tab, and bring down the Smoothness slider. Back to the Tools tab, increase the Range Soft Edge slider. You can play around with the rest of the sliders if you want to find out what works best for you. Connect the wand to the Merge node as a mask, and your mediocre transition is ready. If you like this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, it's a free YouTube video.